Your journey is your journey. And don't compare it to someone else's, and don't think that something has to happen for you the way it happened for somebody else. You give yourself completely to what you're doing because it's in you to do. Yeah. The measure of excellence is judged by your commitment to your work. That's the measure.
Maybe I just feel lost without you. Maybe I'm just pissed off about you. Maybe my life's just off without you. Maybe you're worth it all to me, baby.